I hope it doesn't like die because he just sprayed.
No, it's not gonna die.
He just sprayed over
It's
there.
got. This is it looking at us.
Look at how its neck. It gets his neck real.
Oh yeah, it's aiming. It's aiming. It's got something. He's going low.
Oh,
Oh, look at that.
you think he eat lizards?
I think it's a lizard. It's a big one. Look at that. You can see it in his mouth.
He's chewing it.
Oh, he did a gulp. You see his neck? He gulped.
So when he goes after something, his neck gets really straight like this.
Oh, he's going after another one. Here we go. This is it. Yeah. Yeah, get our yard. Here he goes. This is so cool. He's looking. Wonder what kind of bird that is.
I don't know. It's got a long neck and a straight beak.
Get your belly full.
Never seen one of these here before.
No, that's the first time. It's in our yard.
Looks like he's gonna get something again.
Yep, he's wiggling.
He is wiggling.
This is so cool how we can just sit out in the front yard and like see wildlife.
I can't believe he's at our house.
I know, right?
In our bushes.
I've seen everything, just about everything.
Not a gator though. Not
No,
yet.
not yet. No coyotes either. There he goes. Target acquired. He's so thin. Look at him.
Yeah, no, he is thin.
Wow.
His little neck. I
He's
mean,
trying to-
it's a long neck, but it's skinny. He's look like an oversized, like somebody stretched a duck or something.
Goose. Like flattened goose.
His little neck is so skinny and long, just like it went.
So that
Wow.
Yeah, whatever you do, eat it. That's fine with us. One less creature we have to deal with in our front yard. All right, babe, we should go.
Okay.